Cruise through the pristine waters of Alaska with Princess Cruises. A 7-day journey from Seattle awaits, offering not just a voyage, but a treasure trove of experiences. Your package includes comfortable accommodation, traditional dining with 24-hour room service, and a plethora of entertainment options like original musical productions and magic shows. Stay fit with access to pools, hot tubs, and fitness centers. Enrich your mind with destination lectures. And don't worry, all port taxes and fees are taken care of. Start your day with a hearty breakfast while gazing at the scenic Glacier Bay. Midday, spot wildlife from the deck or learn new skills at a photography workshop. In the evening, feast on premium beef and seafood at the Crown Grill, followed by a spectacular show at the Princess Theater. As night falls, the Skywalker's nightclub beckons with panoramic sea views and late-night dancing. Experience the unique Medallion class experience, a technological innovation that personalizes your journey, making navigation and accessing services a breeze. Discover the magic of Alaska with Princess Cruises, where every moment is an adventure. Hope you liked this video. For our budget travel guides to your dream destinations, please visit our channel to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notification on new places to explore. Have a safe journey.